Good morning, friends. For BA third year skill enhancement course, our first topic is critical thinking. Yesterday, we have discussed something about critical thinking. I have also sent you a video that comments on or speaks further about critical thinking. As I have cleared it earlier, critical thinking is a skill can be acquired through hard work. To be critical towards something indicates the ability of the person to think, to judge the experience critically, that is, being unbiased, being impartial, being disinterested. To be critical or to acquire the skill of critical thinking, which is the way to think out of box, because critical thinking itself is an objective way of thinking. It is self-directed, an objective way to look towards any matter. Yesterday you have seen an animated scene in the court where there are juries, there is judge, and there is a lawyer also. The judge carefully hears the facts and later on he reaches to a judgment. Here the judge is not involved in neither side. The lawyers of both the sides, they put forth their arguments, and taking in account the evidence, taking in account the fact, the judge reached to the judgment. What a judge does in the court, critical thinking demands the same behavior in day-to-day life. Here, one have to take in account all his experiences, may be good, may be bad, to reach to a conclusion, to reach to a judgment. Two things should be avoided. These two things are our own egocentrism. What is egocentrism? We know ego. In most of the cases, ego destructs the personality. Unless we should be humble, no one can care for us. That is the fact. Unless you hear other, who will hear to you? Our ego, that I am so shrewd and I am so intelligent and I know everything, these things definitely destructs our power of reasoning, our power of thinking in a direct way. That is important. Then another thing is sociocentrism. In India particularly, we know that there is caste system. Few peoples feels that they thinks that I have been born in an upper caste. They are so proud of it, and hence they gets cut off from a large part of society. We are egoist about our wealth. We are egoist about our degrees. We are egoist about our race, religion, caste. These things are hurdles in the way of critical thinking. You can't reach to a correct judgment because of these hurdles. To overcome all these demands great efforts. To overcome all these hurdles demands sincere efforts, which are very difficult to overcome. Now, as far as critical thinking or to acquire the skill of critical thinking is concerned, Benjamin Bloom in 1965 introduced his taxonomy of critical thinking. What we need, what is necessary to acquire the skill of critical thinking. He says, at first, knowledge is important. Unless you have knowledge of anything, you can't think critically. That is true. Then he says, skill of comprehension